Can you tell us what were you doing today here in the park?
Well, today a group of young volunteers came up here to clean up the park and to make it a better environment for kids. So we were picking up the garbage, the pieces of glass, pieces of ceramics and just normal trash, and separate them in bags, and you see park looks much cleaner. So yeah, we just wanted this to be a better place for kids and to show them how we volunteer and how we are doing some good things for the community.
So you think volunteerity is the future?
Yes, I think if each of us can have at least 1 hour in a week spending doing volunteer work, it will make a big change and big impact.
Torej, v okviru festivala SCiM in glede na to, da je Evropsko leto prostovoljstva, smo se odločili, da bi ti udeleženci, mladi študentje, tudi se nekako prostovoljno udejstvovali. In ena izmed lokacij, ki smo jih danes obiskovali, je ta doživljajsko igrišče. Tukaj počistili so udeleženci smeti, pobrali smeti, tudi nabralo se je veliko steklovine. Predvsem smo tukaj sodelovali z uradom oziroma z Zavodom za pomoč mladim, ki tudi upravlja s tem igriščem. Sicer smo imeli tudi v dogovoru, da bi se lahko še dosti stvari tukaj naredilo, ampak je dovolj to, da se nekako poudari, da mladi želijo tudi pomagati prostovoljno.
Pa ste sodelovali še na kakih drugih lokacijah?
Imeli smo še 2 ostale lokacije, in sicer ena skupina je v dopoldanskem času obiskala azil, kjer so sprehajali pse. Še ena druga skupina pa v tem istem času gostuje v domu za upokojence, v domu pod Gorco, kjer so jim pripravili plesno predstavo, prav tako pa so jim na voljo, da jim pomagajo oziroma in kratijo dolg čas.
Today we did some volunteering job in this place, so we gathered rubbish, litter and glass, and then there was a pleasant part playing with the kids, which was more rewarding than that, and yeah, it was a nice experience. I'm never littering again, I can tell you that.
Okay, so what do you think about voluntary work?
It's good. I mean, it's really good. Right now I realize that, because we did very little, but it's some kind of sense of, that you contributed, that you did something not for fun, not for, for yourself, but contributed to the society, to your streets, to your neighborhood. That's really nice.